Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the where winds meet connection error, including failed to connect to update server or can't connect to server issues on PC. Let's get this fixed quickly. First, go to the Windows search bar and type View Network Connections. Click on it, then find your active network adapter. Double-click it, select Properties, then open Internet Protocol version 4. IPv4. Here, make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is selected. Below that, choose Use the following DNS server addresses. Set the preferred DNS server to 8.8.8.8. Set the alternate DNS server to 8.8.4.4. Then click OK to save everything. Next, go back to the search bar and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator, then click Yes. In the command window, type ipconfig/flush DNS. Press Enter. After that, type netsh winsock reset. Press Enter again. Once that's done, restart your computer. After the restart, launch Where Winds Meet again. The connection error should now be fixed. If this guide helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.